In Flux Engine, the latest next-generation title, mechanics fuse adaptive AI with fluid parkour, creating weight and risk in every sprint truly. Graphics push volumetric lighting, real-time weather, and detailed textures into a believable world where horizons shimmer. The story threads choices through a braided arc with multiple endings that reflect the player's footprint. A standout interview segment features a lead designer and an animator who reveal traversal innovations and packing. Their insights mix technical depth with genuine enthusiasm, making Flux Engine informative and entertaining for devoted gamers.